August 18, 2021. This is the North WIER box of placement number 8. Just taking a video of before any demolitions happens to it.
I think Lori's will be coming back next week, but she's going to leave. She left the camper here. She has to go back to the family business. Come back next week, I think, for a little bit.
Walkway. Going up.
Yeah. So we're going to be sending the demo plan back. I know you said you haven't seen it. I really haven't seen that one. Well, so this is about it. This paragraph here. Is that from Ocean? Yeah, this is from Ocean. I've heard talk about it, but I don't know what it is. So basically, just first step in the contract.
Just trying to make sure I capture as much as possible. Hopefully there ain't too much glare on this and it turns out really well. Here it is looking back.
So that's basically what we're going to do. That way we can just check this off the list. You want to take some pictures of it? I can say, yep, why should you do that? Gotcha. But in the demo plan, prior dated,
Look over the side here, get a video of it. This would be the north end of the North WIER box. Go here. Oh. Go here. Get a good video of all this, and I'll turn right around and get a good video of the handrails and everything. I'm already videoing this, so let me do it like this. Just give you a quick video of the area real quick here. Don't go back down to the front of the WIER box. Okay, now let me go back down here. Start where I left off. Found not to move too fast.
that's what we did. Looks like I could walk down to the edge or something, but that grass is kind of. That's what we did. We took pictures of the handrail, the top, looking down. And I think the way all of it's going to be covered as far as existing conditions.
The catwalk. Okay, I'll try to get the best video I can of the handrails itself. Step back, get the whole handrail. Get over here. Walkway. Give y'all a good video of around it. Okay, that's it.